Okay, folks, we're heading back to the Crappie pond, so I'll keep you all posted. As you can see, it's getting toward the end of April, so things are starting to open up here. So it's looking pretty good. So wish me luck. Pond looks pretty today. It's like a sunny, can't tell. Nope, crappie. Nice one. Pretty. Pretty. Get out little pads. Oh, I got off. Coming in easy. Don't get caught. Hey. Crappie. That's a good one. Got him. Get out of lily pads. Got him. Hey, bluegill, but it's on. Get out of lily pads. Get you out. Hey, crappie, that's a good one. Got one. Something. Little fighter. Another crappie. Good one. Pretty. Got him. Get him through the lily pads. Through, looks like a crappie. Hey, pretty good one. It's like a crappie. That's a good one. Got one. Get out of the sticks. Crappie.